how do we compete? Well, we target a market that is attractive to us, where we're attractive to that market, and we are the best value proposition in terms of product, service, delivery, cost. We are the best for some people in the market.
Yep.
And we try to very narrowly define that and go deliver. It's literally no different for a supplier to a Raytheon or a Boeing or anybody else. If what you do for the exact thing you do, you are the best solution, you're gonna win. I mean, I hate to sound sort of textbook.
No, I agree with you. I agree with you. I mean, I was just talking about, it's like the big, look, you as a little person, as the small guy, you find your little niche and you get really good at it, and you just keep going. So
really good at it. And the point is that if you're a little company trying to be everything to everybody, you are going to lose. That is a losing game.
Yep.
But if you're a small company, but you do something better than everybody else, however you define that, but you go to your customer, like we keep picking on Raytheon and saying, Raytheon, I do this for you. There's no better solution for you in the world than me. And it's true. They're going to come back to you and back to you and back to you forever, so long as you do whatever you're doing for them better than anybody else. But if you're a commodity, right? If you're a pure commodity player in a mature market, right? That is, I mean, the textbook says, and the textbook's right, and not a good way to make a lot of money.